Hey guys, welcome. So in this video I want to talk about citations. And what a citation is basically a link from a business directory. That's all you need to know. That's all they are actually. So citation is a link from a business directory, basically a site that allows you to place your business info from website, name of the business and address, to images, to videos, etc. and have it be on there. That's basically all this is. And it's important to be consistent. So consistency is key because you don't want to confuse Google. If you do, you end up not ranking at all. Okay, so you want to make sure all of your citations have either the same format or have the same info. And I'll be showing you an example in a bit. But basically, if your business name is dentist123 at street ABC, okay, you need to put that address in, for example, a Yelp listing. And you need to put that same address in the same format. So if it was dentist123 at ABC Street, you need to put it in that order. So don't put it 123 Street, comma ABC 123. Okay, you need to write the name of the business in the same way everywhere. Of course, there might be some websites that you cannot do it, but try and be consistent across all of the citations. And of course, you need to be consistent over your Google My Business and your website as well. So NAP means name, address, and phone number. And here's an example. As you can see, both of these websites in the footer have their name, address, and phone number. And what you need to do if you were to own these websites, you need to place this info in those citation sites as well as on the Google My Business. So in both your Google My Business and your citations, you need to replicate this information. And I can't stress this enough because this is really important. You need to be consistent. So please don't have different information on your website and your Google My Business. You need to be consistent. So if your address is written in a specific format in your website, make sure you write it in that same format in your Google My Business or in any other citation you'll be building. Now I'm going to show you a couple of citations so you can better understand what I'm saying. And here are a couple examples of citations. So as you know, Yelp, which is the most notorious one, a citation is simply a place where you can list your business name, what you do. You can also add photos, your business hours, business name, business website, your phone number, and the address. So basically name, address, and phone number. Different citation sites allow you to put different things. So for example, Yelp allows you to add a map and allows people to leave reviews on your service page listing. And that's it. It's this simple. Let me show you a couple of more sites so you can better understand what I'm saying. So again, business pages is another citation site where you can place your email, your website, the category, your phone number, and your address. So name, address, and phone number. Again, there's hundreds. This one right here, for example, lets you have your phone number as well, your address, the business name, and your website. So you're not only building links back to your site. So every single citation site allows you to have a link, or almost every single one. You're also building trust in Google's eyes. So you're building citations. So Google is aware that you're a local business working on this address. You're also getting links back to your site. So at the same time you're building citations to get your site ranked in a local search, you're also building links on all of these sites. Here's another one, place123. Again, business address, business name, and website. This one also allows you to have a business description. Another one right here, as you can see, the same thing. Phone, email, website, and the address should be here. Yeah, exactly. And there's more, and I think you get the idea. Basically, these are websites where you can place your company info into. So your name, address, and phone number. And some websites allow you to have a map, a description, a link back to your website, etc. This one, for example, allows you to have a description, which is also great, and a link back to your site. Just out of curiosity, let's see if this one is do follow or no follow. Okay, this one is actually no follow. No worries, it's still a link. And here's another one. Again, name, address, and phone number. Also allows you to have a link back to your site. And another one. This one also allows you to have a map, business, name, address, and phone number. And I think you get the idea. Basically, these are sites where you can register your business and build a certain authority if you are consistent. Because if you're not consistent, Google will get confused. So make sure you write your address in the same way in every single citation. So let's just double check here. For example, the address here is 1814, and here it starts the same way, 1814 New Jersey 70. And as you can see, there's a bit of a mismatch right here. So this one says New Jersey, and this one says NJ. And I'm not sure if this was the website that made the abbreviation automatically or not, but if it wasn't, this is a bad citation. So you want to make your citations consistent. So if this one says New Jersey, this one should have said New Jersey as well. And again, I'm not sure if this website made the abbreviation, but if not, this is incorrect. Let's just check another one, for example, this one right here, this one as well, NJ, and this one as well. So again, we're seeing a theme right here. Again, one NJ. So maybe this one is the incorrect one. Maybe this one shouldn't have said New Jersey, should have said NJ. And I also don't know if these guys don't let you have NJ, but if they did let you have NJ, make sure you put NJ instead of New Jersey. And I know this might seem picky, but trust me, these are the little things that make the difference. So again, make sure you are 100% consistent across all of your citations, as well as the ones on your website. So your website should have the same format as you have on the citations, as well as the same phone number and the same name, of course. Okay? So let's keep on going with the slides. Okay, so regarding my recommendations in outsourcing as well as copying. So I've included an Excel file with a bunch of sites where you can manually create citations for free, okay? And my advice is you create as many citations as you possibly can, and you start by replicating the ones your competitors have, and then create some more. So what you can do also is, if you don't want to be manually searching for your competitor citations, is you can go on Ahrefs or any other backlinking analysis tool, find them there just by clicking a button which makes the analysis, and then go from there. You can also pay someone on Fiverr or Legit or Upwork or basically anywhere to basically find your competitor citations and send you a list. And after you have that list, you can just go through and build them yourself manually. Or if you don't want to have any work, you can just, again, pay that guy to find the citations your competitors have, and then when you receive the file he sends you, you send that same file to another guy for him to create them for you. And that's it. The main ideas I want you to take from this video is that you need to be consistent across every single citation you build across your website and across your Google My Business. Then is that you need to create as many citations as you can, starting by your competitors' ones, because again, if you have every single citation your competitor has, as well as some more, you'll be a step ahead of them. This works the same for backlinks. If you have every single backlink your competitor has, as well as some more quality ones, you'll be one step ahead. And also regarding the outsourcing, you can either go to Legit, for example, and pay this guy, which will create, I think, so 50 citations for $25 and up to 150 citations for $75. So he'll basically create them all for you, and he'll send you a list of the live links with the username and password, so if you want to edit them, you can. Or you can either use Bright Local as well. They charge $2 per citation, and their support might be a bit better than one from a freelancer on Legit. I don't know if this one is good or not. I've never tried it. I'm just supposing that these guys might have a little bit better support, but I'm not sure again. Either way, you can either use these guys or any other marketplace. But again, I wanted to show you that it's possible for you to create them yourself. And I always like to tell you how to create them and why you should create them, and then tell you where you can outsource them, because almost every single step in SEO is outsourceable. But I feel like it's important for me to show you how you can create them first, and only then teach you how you can outsource them. But again, you can either use Bright Local, or I'm sure there are many more. Again, also these guys make a comparison here on the bottom. So there's the Hoth, Advice Locals, Sign Up, Moz Local, Yext, White Spark. There's a bunch. These guys look like they're the cheapest ones. But again, I've never tried them as well. I usually build mine manually, but of course, if you want to save time, you can hire either these guys or someone from a microservices marketplace. And also regarding the replicating your competitor citations or copying, for example, this guy right here, and I'm not sure if when you're seeing this video, this listing will still be available. But what this guy does basically is that he'll find your competitor citations and basically send you a CSV file format with, of course, a list of their citations, which then you can, of course, create them yourself manually, or like I told you, send the Excel file, for example, to this guy right here. I'm not sure if he accepts that, but maybe he will, and he'll create the citations based on the ones you are sending them. And that brings me to my final point, the copying. So copy every single citation your competitor has. Copy them, take a look at what citation sites they have, go out there, create them yourself, or pay someone to create them for you. And once you have all the citations they have, go create some more. Because I can guarantee you that if you do this, you'll be one step ahead of them. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the group. I'll be there to help, and I'll see you soon.